back. So now we'll go through why digital marketing, digital lifestyle, affiliate marketing is super important for you, and why you should learn it. Like if you are having pain of getting overwhelmed with digital tools and systems, okay, if you are having pain of you're not knowing how to implement these digital tools and systems step by step, not getting up to 10x growth results from digital projects, not having right mindset how to start digital business with simplicity and clarity, not able to apply digital skills with simplicity and clarity, not knowing how to know the real, you're not knowing the real potential of digital world, confused about digital tools and using for growth, why automation is super important right now to have true freedom, and not knowing how to apply step to step process for true freedom and digital business, like really get results out of it. These are my own experience skills, so I will be teaching you. Okay, so we have a simple methodology, teaching methodology with super simplicity. You will learn all these concepts, step to step process, simple theory, simple model, simple implementation, no complexity. So I will teach you all these secrets, and kindly join this masterclass. I will see you there. Thank you so much.